principal ma'am, coordinators, all teachers, and my dear friends. A pleasant good morning to everyone. I am come here to demonstrate my project on the topic of Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu was born on 20 June 1957, and her father name was Biranchi Narayan Tudu. She is belonging from Santhal community. She completed her graduation from Ramadevi Women's College, and she started his political journey in 1997, and she elected as a president candidate for the upcoming president of India. It is a drastic change to know that she will be the first tribal women president in India if elected, and second women president of country. Thank you and have a nice day.
I'm Kassis of Standard 7 of Greenhouse. Today I'm present here to say something about Draupadi Murmu. She is an Indian politician. She is born on 20 June 1958 in Bataposhi village of Mayurbhanj district, Odisha. Her father name is Biranchi Narayan Tudu. Her mother died after some months of her birth. She married to Syamcharan Murmu, and the couple had 2 sons and 1 daughter. But both sons and her husband died after some years of her married life. And everything, all the struggles that she has done in her life, only for her daughter to give a beautiful and happy life to her. She is previously served as the Governor of Jharkhand from 2015 to 2021, and she is now official nominee of BJP-led National Democratic Alliance for 2022 presidential election. And she is the symbol of women's power, because she has shown us that if any woman wants to do anything, then she can do, if she has self-confidence on her, and she really want to do that work from heart. At last, I want to say a quote, and woman is unstoppable, a woman is unstoppable when she is determined to rise. Thank you.
House, that is Blue House. I am present here to say something about Draupadi Murmu. First of all, I would like to thank sir who gave me a golden opportunity to say something about Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu is born on 20 June 1958. She is 64 years old. She belongs from Vidyaposhi village, Mayurbhanj district in Odisha. Her life was very difficulties and full of obstacles because she was a tribal lady. She was an Indian politician. Her profession was teaching, social work and politician. In 1997, she elected as a councillor of Rangpur district, and also she was elected as a member of vice chairperson of Rangpur. The NDA headed by the BJP has selected her as a president of 2022. Thank you. Have a nice day.
That I got opportunity to speak over Draupadi Murmu. As we already know that Draupadi Murmu is the great Indian politician. She was born on 20 June 1958. She is the member of Bharatiya Janata Party. She is the official nominee of BJP-led National Democratic Alliance for 2022 presidential election. She is previously served as the 9th Governor of Jharkhand from 2015 to 2021. Coming from Odisha, she is the first woman Governor of Jharkhand to complete the 5-year term. She is also the leader of scheduled tribe. It's very proud for us that Draupadi Murmu is nominated for presidential election. We should to learn something from her, that so many problems come in her life, but she keep trying and she got this achievement, she got the success, whatever she want. She also sets an example for those people now who thinks that she's scheduled caste, she's scheduled tribe, they are lower caste. But she has proved that it doesn't matter what's their category, what's their complexion. If you want to do anything, now then you can do anything. No one will stop you. Nobody can't stop you. That's all for today. Thank you. Rest things another day. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.